Hello， 大家好，欢迎来到 Top Chinese， 我是你们老师 Gloria。中国，日本。It has been a long time that I haven't posted a video online. I'm so sorry for that because my laptop has some problem. Okay, so today we are going to learn family member in Mandarin. A difference from English, we will not just call our grandparents as grandparents. We will not call all our uncle as uncle. So how could we call them? Okay, it's kind of complicated. First, how to call our siblings. We will not call them as brother and sister only. We will call our elder brother as 哥哥, 哥哥. And we will call our younger brother as 弟弟, 弟弟. And about our elder sister, we will call her as 姐姐, 姐姐. Elder sister, and younger sister is 妹妹, 妹妹, younger sister. And we will call our dad as 爸爸, 爸爸, dad. And about our mom, we will call them 妈妈, 妈妈, mom. And about our grandparents are different. For our dad's dad, we will call him as 爷爷, 爷爷, dad's dad. 奶奶, 奶奶, dad's mom. And for mom's parents, we will call them as 外公, 外公. Mom's dad, we will call 外婆, 外婆 as mom's mom. So we will call dad's elder brother as 伯伯, 伯伯, or 伯父, 伯父. For their wife, we call them as 伯母, 伯母. That's elder brother's wife. And for dad's younger brother, we will call him as 叔叔, 叔叔. And for their wife, we call them as 婶婶, 婶婶. And what if your dads have sisters? We will call them, or we will call them no matter they're younger or elder, we will call them as 姑姑, 姑姑. And their husband as 姑父, 姑父. And for 叔叔 and 伯伯's children, all of them we will add 堂. For example, if they have a son which is older than us, we will call them as 堂哥, 堂哥. So all of them we should just add as 堂. And for mom's sibling, we will call mom's brothers, no matter elder or younger, as 舅舅, 舅舅, and their wife as 舅妈, 舅妈. And for our mom's sisters, we will call them as 姨妈, 姨妈. And for their husband, we will call them as 姨父, 姨父. So for the cousins from mom's side and plus the cousins from 姑姑, we call it as 表. We just add 表. For example, 表哥, 表姐, 表弟, 表妹. We could just call them according to their age with us. Okay, so about me, 我, if I get married one day and then he would be my 老公, 老公, and I would be her 老婆, 老婆 and then I will call his dad as 公公 father-in-law and I will call his mom as 婆婆 mother-in-law and for my husband and then he has to call my dad as 岳父 and call my mom as 岳母 mother-in-law and if my elder brother get married then I will call sister-in-law as 嫂嫂 and then if my sister get married and then I will call my brother-in-law as 姐夫 and if my younger sister she get married then I call her husband as 妹夫 and if I have a younger brother and then I will call his wife as 弟妹 So this part is about grandparents and us. So it's 1, 2, 3. It's 三代同堂. It's 3 generation. Okay, so I will mention 4 and 5 generation. So if one day I have children, one is a boy, one is a girl, then it will be 儿子 and 女儿 daughter. And what if one day and I get old and my son is get married, so I will call his wife as 儿媳妇 is my daughter-in-law. And then my daughter get married, I will call her husband as 女婿 My son have a baby, I will call my grandchildren as 孙子 grandson and 孙女 granddaughter from my son. If my daughter have child and I will call them as for her son, I will call him as 外孙 and for her daughter, I will call her as 外孙女 granddaughter. If my sisters they have their child and then I will call them as 外甥 and 外甥女 外甥 nephew from my sister 外甥女 niece from my sister's side. Okay, then if I have brothers, so if one day if they have their baby, then I will call them as 侄子 nephew 侄女 niece. Today's sentence we were going to learn 你家有几口人 How many people in your family? 你家有几口人你家 your family 有 have 几口人 How many people? You can answer as 我家有6口人我家有6口人口 is a measure word. There are 6 people in my family. 有谁呢 Who are they? 有爸爸妈妈3个姐姐和我 There are my parents, my 3 sisters, and me. After today's learning and about the cultural stuff, are you ready to find Chinese girlfriend? So see you guys next time. Remember to subscribe my YouTube channel Dope Chinese with Gloria and remember to click the bell. Okay, see you, 再见，拜拜。